Exercises. Pinching. Squeeze with the ring between your fingertips and thumb. Squeezing. With the new ergonomic style, you can now try two methods. Squeeze with the ring between the middle of your fingertips and the palm of your hand on the rounded sides like a normal ring grip. Or try it with the flat part of the grip resting deep in your palm. Stretching. Insert your fingers into the hole in the middle of the ring and extend them outward. Individual fingers. Squeeze with the ring between your fingertips and thumb, using only one finger at a time. This can also be performed with the finger extenders. Finger extenders. Use these similar to the stretching method in the ring grips. Place your thumb in the hole that is separated from the other 4 closer together holes.